What is good, you guys? Welcome back to another video. I hope you are doing great. Like always, I'm in a good mood. Every video I will keep saying it, so I hope I can motivate you and give some like good ass energy to like inspire you to make music right now. So make sure you grab your laptop while watching the video, that way you like learn the most out of it. Feel me? If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, join the family, join the community. Let's just dive right into the video game. Bro, I really love this thickify plugin. I downloaded it and bro, it just makes like my sound 10 times thicker. It just gives like the melody a different feeling because it's normally like used for mainly like 808s and basses, but if you throw it onto your melodies, it sounds like completely different. So I'd really love to like experiment with this plugin because it's like super easy to use. Like right here, as you heard, the sound really got like a sharper and harsher sound instead of like that really soft sound, but that was really like the sound I was looking for. So here's how it sounds with thickify. And this is without thickify. I also really love like the design of like the plugin because it's like a little guy right here, and if you want to make it like a little bit thicker, his arms get thicker as well. So I really love like the idea behind it. Also like this knob right here, it just adds like more color to the sound. Like the drive, it speaks for itself, add like a little bit of saturation. But this plugin, it kind of sounds more aggressive, the sound, without like sacrificing the original sound, because sometimes it can be just like too crazy, the saturation inside of some plugins, but this plugin does a really good job with it. Also, if you download the plugin, it will come with 3 sample packs, including like a trap melody pack. Super far, so make sure to go check it out. The link is right there in the description. the bass is just shaking the room, bruh. It's just all over the place. I kind of like it. It's not like placement ready. For placements, I wouldn't send out this beat, but it's just for the beat, bruh. It's fucking hard, bruh. This video is just super fire. It knocks super hard. I really need to think about the title of this video, bro, because it's just like my inspiration was just like flowing and I was just like creating, you feel me? Like especially with like the thickify plugin, like my creativity just like on the melody, on the drums, and just like tweaking it and just like creating something really unique with it. All the other sounds and plugins that I use are in the description, so feel free to check it out and download it. I really hope you enjoyed it and learned from this. If you did, don't forget to leave a like and a comment down below. Make sure to follow me on Instagram at @SkanaBeats. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.